to avoid legal trouble when using generative AI. I know you are familiar with the AI content creation, AI generated art, and even AI pictures that are all over the internet. What if I told you there are certain legal risks attached with using generative AI? You've probably used ChatGPT or Midjourney to generate content or art for yourself or your clients. In this video, I'll be discussing how to avoid legal trouble when using generative AI. Are you ready? Let's go. My name is Idowu-Faith. I'm a business lawyer and a digital law practice consultant. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button so as to follow me. And if you are a returning follower, kindly hit the like button and also share this video for greater reach. So, the main legal risk is copyright infringement. Yes, you heard me. Copyright infringement. You know that generative AIs have been on the increase. In fact, a lot of tech companies are now beginning to compete on different AIs daily. We see AIs that generate content, that generate art, audio enhancers, video editors, and a whole lot of them. Generative AIs have been trained to identify and replicate patterns of data that has already been created by human beings and placed on the internet. What does this mean? It means that once you enter your prompts to the AI scraps the internet to gather available data to deliver your expected results. Don't forget that this data had already been created by human beings and placed on the internet. What this means is that the content that the AI is gathering to create the result you want are content of creators like you that have already been placed on the internet. Already, companies like Midjourney, Stability AI, and DeviantArt has already been sued by a group of artists who accuse these companies of committing mass copyright infringement. These artists allege that the platforms created by these companies scrap the internet and gather their data to create the results required by the platform users, which made the result of the artistic works created for the platform users a replica of the arts already created by these artists. The Nigerian Copyright Act protects the copyright of any original work created by individuals, which means that any individual that creates the original work will enjoy copyright protection of his work. And anyone who infringe upon the copyrights of the original owner can be sued to court, and heavy damages will be awarded against the individual. Now, using a generative AI that scoops people's original work on the internet to deliver your results leaves you at risk, because you don't even know the work of the person the AI is presenting to you. You don't know if the work is original or not. You don't even know the owner of the work so as to give credit to the owner of the work, which makes it a bit complicated. So here is how to avoid legal trouble when using generative AI. Number one, avoid using generative AIs which are completely automated. What do I mean? You know, there are some generative AIs that allows for human input. It can ask you to add input. You can tell the AI what you want. You can give specific prompts and instructions to the AI, which makes the work have your tone, which means that you have expended some effort to give the work a kind of uniqueness and originality in a particular sense. But for AI platforms that generate content and artistic works automatically, that does not allow you to make human input or effort in the creation process, then you have to be cautious. You are not advised to use such platforms, because those works are completely generated and you cannot tell where they have been generated from. So you've got to be careful. It's better to use an AI platform that allows you to make human inputs. When using AI for content creation, don't just accept the content generated by AI and use it without knowing the source. You can go a step further to make research or even ask the AI to tell you the source of the AI's information. This will help you to, read more about the source of the information or the owner of the original work, and for you to give appropriate credit so that you will not be held liable for infringement. So what this means is, if you can know the source of the information generated by AI or the source of the original work generated by AI for you, you will be able to give appropriate credits to the original owner of the work, which makes you free from copyright infringement. 3, always use AI platforms that allows human input. So make sure that any AI platform that you want to use allows you to add human inputs in what you are doing. Don't just use AI without caution. Use AI platforms with your own human input. So for instance, if you want to use ChatGPT, you have to go to ChatGPT and get your own information and then input the information as a prompt and tell the AI to improve on the content. Tell the AI to generate more content and make the post or the content look better. Don't use AI 100% without any human input. This will leave you at risk of copyright infringement because you don't know where the AI is getting the information from. You don't even know if the AI is generating the information 100% as the original owner did the work or kept the work on the internet. So you have to be sure that you are making your own input and you are making the work unique. So with these 3 things, you'll be able to stay out of legal trouble. So you can know where the content is coming from and give necessary credits so that you don't infringe on the person's copyright. You can avoid 100% automated AI platforms that does not allow you to make human inputs when it's generating the content or the art for you. Then you can also make sure that whenever you are using AI platforms, you make human inputs into the work so that it makes it unique and it has your own human inputs as well. So if you like this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and if there is an area of law you want me to talk about or you want me to shed more light on, put it in the comment section. I'll be reading the comments and I'll be glad to come up with that video that will meet your legal needs. As you know, my name is Idowu-Faith and I'm a business lawyer and a digital law practice consultant. Bye for now.